Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing today? Welcome to my new visitors and welcome back to my old subscribers. I am here with a Creative Members Haul. I am a Creative Members Consultant. My information is below. If you want to check out anything, order anything, check out my page. But this is my little haul. They had a special running where you can get, if you spend $100, you get 50 free prints. And since I do scrapbook, and they only do matte 4x6, I went on and got some, and the thing I like about it is they print the date the picture was taken on the back, and so that's nice. And they had the project title name up there, like this is Baseball 2017. And so yeah, I'm behind on my pictures, okay? Don't judge. Great with Lodge 2016. The kindergarten pictures of my grandson, the family pictures. So anyway, stuff that I'm going to scrapbook, and I like how they send them in these little plastic containers. So I got some freebies there, which was nice to get. I ended up getting some more of the blades that go with my cutter, which I should have put out, but I put it away right now. And these are the extra cutters with the decorative blades right here. And this is what they look like, their color. They have different colors for each blade. That's deco. You see the dotted lines. So that's going to be my perforating blade. Again, different colors. So that helps you when you're quickly inserting these into your trimmer. Stamping, you can see the little print. With this lighting in the sun, it's like, woo. It's supposed to storm though, so we'll see. Who knows by the time this video out what day it'll be. That's the wave. So, wave like that. That's how to cut the edge of the paper. And then this one is my perforating. I'm not my scoring, that's the same thing. My scoring one, not my perforating. So that has the double lines. So that's each one of my blades, and these will be housed on the back of the trimmer. Hold on one second, let me get my trimmer. So here's my trimmer, and this is the housing. You just take these cartridges in and out, push it down, just like that. And then on the back, I showed you last month, I had the Victorian and the scallop. And then now, I can just put my other ones in here, and I have them whenever I need them. You have room for more in case they create some new ones, or if you want to have the extra straight edge blade and stuff like that. So I have room for 2, 4, 5 extra blades. Yep, so that goes with that. Then I did purchase another one of the this is the wine chain border. And this goes into this system right here. You can interchange all these different borders, and you can make, you know, 2-inch all the way up to 12-inch borders. Well, actually, it goes longer than 12-inch. A piece of paper is 12 inch. You can go as long as you want because it punches. And this one is the wine. If you can see it up front, it's called wine chain. So you can see the wine bottles or glasses, you know, just different glasses. So that can go with a lot of your dining pages when you're eating out, because everybody now takes pictures of all of the food and meals. This will be one to go along with that. And because I was a new consultant, signed up in March, they had a promo too. Not only did they have giveaways, but they had you get this free album. And this is a 12 by 12 classic blue micro album cover. So I already have some extra pages, so I need an extra album. And I got this for free. And this is like, I think, $30 value or $50. Yeah, $30 value, I believe. So anyway, that's one of the reasons why I really love Creative Members. It's because they have the best albums. They really do. And I love their tools. Their papers too. But that is just like way cool. So I did get some papers Now they had, let me see, this was a regular. These two were regular prices, and then these three were my $5 special. Okay, so I did get some homestead accessories, and this is some 12 by 12 borders and some ephemera and paper. And I'll just show you real quick some of the accessories. And they also have the Project Life cards, the 4x6 cards. I should have just bought the whole pack. I actually like this collection. But you can see some of the ephemera that goes along with it. So you got your sentiments, and these are nice heavyweight ephemera. It's more than just decorative paper. It's not quite chipboard, but it's heavier than decorative paper. It's got a nice to it, and floral. So it doesn't say, I think it's 40 some pieces in here. You know, I love these pieces, so these would be nice to add with this paper collection. But the browns and the greens. It says blessed, happy, home, and you think about it, we spend a lot more time at home than we have probably in the past. Life, windmill. So anyway, home sweet home, different things like that. Got several of the sentiments family. So these would be some nice family layouts. You can use this ephemera, and this is the homestead collection. With that collection, they also have, like I said, the 12 by 12 laser cut borders. And these, the things I like about their borders is they're double-sided, meaning you can use them on both, you know, multiple colors. There's green on this side, and then there's, you see, two different colors. So you can switch, which depends on your layout, which one you like best. And this helps make scrapbooking faster, quicker, when you have borders and ephemera to put on your pages. I'm going through them quickly, but if you have any questions about them, there's a lot of videos showing them on that channel. But yeah, I think they came out, these are very pretty. I like the shapes. And again, you can layer these with the ephemera, you know, and some of the cardstock behind it, and, you know, put it on your page, boom, and then snap your pictures on it. And you know, you can see that. You know, just real quick, I'm just throwing something up here real quick, you know, like that. And you could throw it together, make a border real quick. Put the chain in the ephemera, boom, and add your pictures. And you got a layout. Now, of course, you can do more fancy stuff, but I'm just showing you that's a quick way for a lot of us who are behind on this scrapbooking. So this is the decorative paper that goes along with it. I didn't get the tonal tone yet, which is, I'll probably get this month, but this is the designer pack. And this is what the pages look like. So again, you can see it's going to match that collection. You get 2 of each sheet in the double-sided. So you can pick the A or the B side. And again, these is more of your neutrals. More of your homestead type of stuff. Yeah. So I look forward to making some projects with these. Some nice fun scrapbook layouts. We've all got plenty of family photos, I know now. Sitting around the house, eating and playing together. This, I bought the sticker pack last month to go with this one. This is Little Dreamer. And again, these are like, not necessarily, I would say more masculine, but, you know, in the color field. But they're not limited just to a baby pack, but, you know, this is tone on tone. So that means that whatever color it is. It's going to be a light and dark variation of the same tone on that page. And see, and these are double-sided as well. So remember the stickers I had, these would be nice. So I will be making some layouts, and I will be selling some of them as well. I have a few people that have asked me for some simple layouts. I'm not going to overdo it because they don't scrapbook, but I'm going to make it, they just, you know, some decorations on it, and they have to add their picture. So you'll be seeing some of those videos come up. Then these, they had a special as a consultant. You can get some $5 paper pads. And this is pineapple and palms. This is more your green and your yellows. And this is a designer pack. And again, it's 2 pages. It's got some cut aparts on it. And journaling spots. I love the floral. Okay. So this one is a 6-pack. The other ones were 12-pack. So these are 3 designs. I mean, yeah. To each. Yep. But these are exclusive only to consultants. And this is shiplap. I got this, I like wood prints, wood grains. I don't know, it just got a nice masculine feel. That woodworking, like, I don't know, the builder in me likes to build. It just makes me think of that raw material. So I like that, and you can use this in other projects besides the scrapbooking as well. And then my last pack I got, this one is called Mosaic. Very similar color palette to the pineapple. So I thought I could mix and match these together because they're the green and the golds. Yep. So I will be mixing that with some of these because you can see they have the greens and the golds, different shades. And we'll see how they go. And then the last thing that I got was another recipe template. Those things go so fast. If you scrapbook, these are a must-have. This is called Roundabout. And these things, oh my gosh, when they sell out, they sell out, and then you see them on eBay for $100, and they only like $13.50. But it's a way to scrapbook, and you make multiple layouts. This thing, and you really can't see it, the circles, and this goes with our circle cutting system, so that's why I got those, cut the circles to match. But you can use it this way, that way. The templates are made, you can turn it around, and as you turn it around each direction, you get a different layout. You can do parts of it, all of it. You can do, I mean, it's just so many things, whatever your variation you want to do. So there's no limitation. So you can use like this example right here versus that example right there. So versus if you use all of them, some of them, just a circle or that piece, like it's just so many different ways that you can do it. So it can totally look different. But if you, in a quick pinch, you don't think about what you want to do, like you can see the difference in that layout versus that one. They don't look the same. It looks like a totally different design. So it's, you can use pieces of it, like I said. You can even, I mean, it's just a lot of different ways with these. That's why I love these, because it helps you come up with a plan real quick to do your layouts. So that is my haul from Creative Memories. Again, my link is below. I went through everything kind of fast as far as the papers and stuff and how they match with the collections, but they're very pretty, like I said, and they have everything to coordinate. You could buy it all in a bundle if you like as well, or buy individual pieces. Ephemera, the the 4x6 cards, the 12x12 borders, the punches to go along with each paper pack, and the border punches. So they have all kinds of accessories to go with each paper pack, and albums. And they even have the fast albums where you can just stick the picture on the page because the background is already decorated. For those of you who just wanted the scrapbook look, and it can be flat, they have those as well. Those are called Fab to Fab albums. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.